welcome to Otis Place. If you're new to the channel, this is your first time seeing me. Hello, my name is Otabi. It's good to have you here. If you are already a subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you for all the support. Guys, I've been on braids for about 2 weeks and I did a video earlier on how I prepped my hair for the braiding process and things I did or did not do during the braiding process. Now, putting my hair in a protective style does not mean I just neglect the hair and leave it alone until I take it down. That would be a recipe for disaster. I have to make sure I moisturize the hair while it is in braids. I also have to make sure I adhere to some things so that I don't cause unnecessary breakage. So today's video is that video where I tell you a few things I've been avoiding and also show you how I moisturize my hair in braids. If that's something you're interested in, then keep watching. First, I'm going to be telling you the things I've been avoiding while my hair has been on braids. So one of the things I've been avoiding is styling my hair anyhow now that it's in braids. Guys, I know that when your hair is in braids, there's that temptation to make a new style with the braids every day or every other day. But the whole essence of a protective style for me is low manipulation. When you manipulate your hair less, you will see less breakage. So I've been avoiding styling my hair. Guys, you know how you want to put it, in a bun, you want to do different things, tie it this way, tie it that way. I've not been doing that at all because I don't want to manipulate the hair too much and cause breakage, especially during the early days of your braiding. When your hair is braided, it is usually braided in a particular direction. I've seen people where, 2 or 3 days after the braiding, they are already holding their hair and taking it to different directions. When you do that, you most likely will be causing some breakage in your hair because it has been plaited in a particular direction. It is not loose enough to be flipped all around. Now my hair is old enough for me to flip in any direction I want, but in those early stages of the braiding your hair, you don't want to be doing that. I did not do that. I just left my hair the way it was so that I avoid breakage. Some other thing I've been avoiding is slicking my hair. That's also part of styling, but just taking my hair up in a bun and slicking it, guys, that thing can cause so much breakage because when you slick it up, you would want it to be tight so that it to look neat. That would pull at your fragile edges and cause breakage. At least for me, that's what's going to happen. So I've not been doing that. I have been avoiding that. If I pull it so much, I'm going to see some breakage. So I've just been leaving it. No tight updo for me with these braids. Something else I've been avoiding is flipping my braids. Anyhow, flipping my braids to any direction just because I have the braids on and they are long. Guys, for me, that's for me. I've not been doing that. I don't want to be doing that because I feel there's some weight on the hair. Okay, it has some weight, so it's going to pull down. I am just avoiding it. I don't want to be flipping it anyhow so that I won't see unnecessary breakage or unnecessary shedding. Is this too much? Let me know in the comment section. So now moving on to things I have been doing. I'm sure there are many other things you avoid when your hair is on braids. Please let me know in the comment section. Now we'll move on to what I've been doing. I've been making sure I moisturize my hair. Watch this video to the end. I'll show you how I moisturize my hair shortly so that you see and maybe learn 1 or 2 things or take correction on something you've been doing. The next thing I've been doing is sleeping with a satin pillowcase or a silk pillowcase, or using my satin scarf or silk scarf on my hair. That will help minimize breakage. The fact that my hair is in braids does not mean it cannot still rub against a cotton pillowcase if I use one. So I'll be making sure to use my satin pillowcase and also tie my hair in a scarf. The next thing I've been doing is making sure I take advantage of the fact that I can see my scalp like this. So like I said earlier, I've been moisturizing and I've also been oiling my scalp with light oils. Now this is not done every day. I actually use my hair growth oil to oil my scalp. I'm going to show you shortly how I do that too. Let me know what you do to prevent breakage when you're on braids in the comment section. Now to move on to how I moisturize my hair in this protective style. My aim is to make sure my hair is moisturized at all times. I don't want to weigh my hair down. I don't want to leave it too dry. So I'll just get right to showing you what I use to moisturize my hair. Now I don't like stress. I like my things very easy, very simple. I'm going to show you what I use. Now this is a spray bottle. And what I have here is aloe vera juice. Mostly aloe vera juice that I have here, but I have a little bit of clove water in it. If you don't have the cloves, you have the clove essential oil. You can use it, but I don't like using the essential oil. I don't like mixing essential oils generally in water because they don't mix properly. So yeah, this is some aloe vera juice and some cloves. This is what I've been using, and this is what I'll continue using. Now if you don't have aloe vera juice, what you can do is take a spray bottle, put some water in it, put a little bit of your leave-in conditioner or your moisturizer, add a little bit of oil in it, shake it up, and you apply this to your hair. I will not advise you to apply the leave-in conditioner directly on your scalp, just to avoid build-up. But because I want to use it directly on my scalp, that's why I'm using the aloe vera juice. Aloe vera will not cause build-up in my hair. It's all natural. And the clove or water is also natural. I did not put any oil in this. I'm going to put this directly on my scalp. Then I will now use my hair growth oil to oil my hair, to seal in that moisture and oil my scalp. That is what I'll be doing. So now let me just show you what I do. It's very easy, very simple. I'm just shaking this up. You can use store-bought aloe vera juice if you want, but I have aloe vera plants in the house, so I made my own aloe vera juice. I don't want to weigh my hair down too much with water. My hair is quite long, so I'm making sure it reaches everywhere, and since it's aloe vera juice, pure aloe vera, natural product, I am not avoiding my scalp. I actually want this to touch my scalp, but not too much. When I do this, I just press this in, make sure it goes in well, just section by section. Since the braided hair is, my hair is inside the braided hair, I'm just pressing this so that it can absorb and my hair will get the aloe vera juice and get the moisture it needs. You can still have much of it here. Now here is my hair growth oil that I'm going to use on my scalp. Like I said, when you braid your hair, it's a good opportunity to get access to your scalp. This hair growth oil has some peppermint essential oil, it has some clove essential oil, rosemary essential oil, it has some ylang ylang in here, and a few other essential oils. Now whenever I mention essential oils, I always say please do not use essential oils directly on your scalp. Always mix them with the carrier oil. Now this oil is a light oil. I used almond oil for this. It's light, so I just apply it directly to my scalp. The peppermint essential oil is giving me that tingling sensation, which I love so much. I didn't put tea tree essential oil here, but if you have tea tree, you can put it. Mine finished. Didn't get access to any, but tea tree essential oil is so good, especially if you're experiencing dandruff, itchy scalp. You want to make sure you put in that tea tree essential oil. You mix some lavender essential oil into your carrier oil. Even the peppermint too will help. Rosemary will help. This is an opportunity to grow your hair. I mean, you can access your scalp very easily. So it's time to pack those essential oils, help with hair growth, into your oil. Now to the remaining part of the hair, I'm going to use my Ayurvedic hair oil to seal it. I don't want to use the hair growth oil for this. I mean, I don't want it to finish quickly. So I have another oil that I'm going to be using for this process. Now this is it here. Put it in my hand. Warm it up a bit. And seal it, especially the ends of my hair. That's the oldest part of the hair. Just want to make sure I seal this moisture. And there is my moisturizing process. Very simple, very easy. And at night when I want to sleep, I tie the hair and sleep. That's my moisturizing process with my hair in braids. How do you moisturize your hair in braids? What do you use? What oils do you use? Are you somebody who likes to use the natural things like aloe vera, or are you someone who likes to use your leave-in treatment? Let me know in the comment section. Implement what you've learned here. If you've not been moisturizing your hair while in braids, don't braid your hair and just leave the hair and come back after 6 weeks or 4 weeks to take down the hair. You're going to experience breakage if you're not careful. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you've watched up till this moment and you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel. Click on that subscribe button, select the all options so that whenever new videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. Don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up. It helps my small YouTube channel grow. It helps tell YouTube that you're enjoying the content I'm putting out. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Do have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.